Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Ballesteros. You can call me Miss Ballesteros or Professor Ballesteros. I want to welcome you to Statistics for the Behavioral Sciences and give you an overview of what you can expect from this class. In this course, you will learn the basics of statistics from understanding types of variables, different research designs, how to conduct a hypothesis test, and draw conclusions. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to illustrate what you have learned by discussing topics with your peers on discussion boards, submitting homework assignments, and completing assessments. We will tap into our growth mindset to facilitate the learning process, which inevitably includes making mistakes. I know some of you may be nervous about taking this course. I was terrified of taking this class as an undergraduate, but I want to assure you that the course has been designed to support you in meeting the objectives of this class. You will learn more about the specific details of this course in the coming days. But I want to convey one essential point here. I provide lecture videos for all course content and solution videos for all homework assignments. Students who utilize all these resources are the ones that enjoy the class, learn the most, and succeed. Please take a moment to read this entire page and follow the buttons at the bottom to progress to subsequent pages of the course syllabus, and then the button that will take you to our course in Canvas. I look forward to working with all of you this semester.